26 May 2021. Today's Murli Bap Dada Madhuban. Essence. Sweet children, let your intellects have faith and continue to follow each one of the Father's directions, and only by following His directions will you become elevated. Question. Which children are called true helper of God? Answer. Those who make effort to claim a kingdom and also make others similar to themselves. Those who are engaged in God's service in this way are true helper of God. When others see them, they too become cooperative. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says namaste to the spiritual children. Essence for Dharana. First, in order to liberate it from the fearsome senses at the end and from all sorrow, now start following the Father's Srimad. Do the services of making others equal to yourself according to Srimad. Second, become a right hand of the Father in service. Show souls the path to make them happy. Benefit everyone. Blessing. May you be a highest being who follow the highest codes of conduct and always take care to stay within the line of the codes of conduct. The children who always stay within the lines of the codes of conduct by considering themselves to be true Sitas of Ram, that is, those who take this care automatically remain careful and cheerful from morning till night. Keep in your intellects the clear knowledge of these codes of conduct you have been given to follow from morning till night. Consider yourself to be a true Sita and stay within the line of the codes of conduct, and you will be said to be a highest being who follows the highest codes of conduct. Slogan. Do not go into the extremes of service. Keep a balance of service and effort on yourself. Om Shanti. And like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Om Shanti.